Check 1 2. Audio check. Thanks for tuning in to the Mr. Show. I Red Pill Rickster, aka the Sixth Boss. Get ready. We're gonna get into it right away with the show. This is called I Am 100% Woman, right? Born that way. And I wanted to get into it, and I don't want to waste no long talking, as we say in Jamaica, no long talking, and just get right into it right here on the Mr. Show. Reaching out to all who's liked and subscribed. I want to say thanks a lot for that. Let's get into it, boy. All right, one time. I am not for sale. Let's go right away. Mr. Red Pill Rickster. All right. What's good?
Even though you are a trans woman, if you're going to be called her, she, fine, I'm going to respect that, and I'm gonna do that. So me as a woman, if I say don't call me a cis woman, I'm just a woman. You should respect that. I'm not a birthing person. I'm not a chest feeder. I'm not a bleeder. I'm a woman.
100%.
And that's what you're going to refer to me as. And you cannot ask for respect while disrespecting women. And that's what we get for trying to be allies. Look, now they just trying to wipe us out. Now look at us. We looking stupid.
Very good.
The two genders, right?
Yeah.
You see the Bumberclot Williams.
About the situation, and I'm just calling to apologize.
Okay, so to all my Jamaicans out here, and if you're not Jamaican and you're having a hard time with the language, don't worry. I am going to translate it soon, okay? Let's go.
We're calling to apologize.
All right, so she's calling to apologize, and you know that like that's very hard for some women, right? So let's go.
And I'm just calling to apologize. Girl, we're calling to apologize.
Right?
We're calling to apologize. All right.
Let's see how this goes.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
Hello.
So why you answer the phone like that?
Holy.
I breathe so hard in the phone.
Oh man, it's iPhone, no problem now.
You know, so sometimes I not like deal with you. I'm not to call your phone. I'm not to call your phone.
Bruh.
She tried though. You got to give her some credit, right? She tried. Let's go. Let's see it again.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
Bruh. Hello.
So why you answer the phone like that?
Holy.
And I breathe so hard in the phone.
Oh man, it's iPhone, no problem now.
You know, so sometimes I not like deal with you. I'm not to call your phone. I'm not to call your phone.
Bruh.
Whoa.
I want problems.
Holy.
Bruh.
Go fuck yourself.
Gets angry.
Why don't Jamaican men eat pum pum?
I don't know. Maybe you have to ask him. I don't know, honestly.
Do you think that maybe? Oh,
What? Get a ringtone.
sorry, getting a call here. One sec.
Okay.
Hey, dirty girl. Me not done tell you don't call off my blood clot phone when me there.
Bruh.
Yo, go suck your mother pussy.
Yo.
And mind me don't give you 2 boxing and your bumbo clot face when me come home.
Yo.
Sorry about that. My wife.
Yachty.
No, I always tell her, if I go and act like a roadside gal, then me I could treat you like a roadside gal. You know?
Yo.
You understand who is teaching them language?
Anywho, you were saying?
Oh no, I don't remember. I'll check you later, okay?
Come on, babe, let's do our handshake. Come on, you don't love me no more?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
Yo. What can I say, yo? What can I say? That was great.
Even though you are a trans woman, if you're going to be called her, she, fine, I'm going to respect that, and I'm gonna do that. So me as a woman, if I say don't call me a cis woman, I'm just a woman. You should respect that. I'm not a birthing person. I'm not a chest feeder. I'm not a bleeder. I'm a woman.
All right.
And that's what you're going to refer to me as.
Tell our sister.
You cannot ask for respect while disrespecting women. And that's what we get for trying to be allies. Look, now they just trying to wipe us out. Now look at us. We're looking stupid.
Well, Very good.
Yo, you see that? Look at them looking stupid nowadays, eh? They're the ones that helped out this whole movement. Where's the feminists them stepping up now? Right? This is the easiest time. It's called hoflation. This is one of the easiest times for men to just get out there and do whatever, right? You know what hoflation is? My grandfather had to work way less for a higher quality woman. I wanted to read something off, and thanks for tuning in. I want you to like and subscribe, right? But I wanted to ask anybody, do you know the term hemophilia? Hemophilia. All right, because I feel like a lot of young ladies, young guys too, are caught up in this thing called hemophilia. It's defined by a tendency to fall in love quickly and often, which is associated with rapid romantic involvement. However, questions linger as to how it is different from anxious attachment syndrome. Bruh. Now, the reason why I want to read off this thing about hemophilia is because it's connected to the next big thing called promiscuity. Promiscuity. We all know about promiscuity, right? Now, promiscuity is the practice of engaging in sexual activity frequently with different partners or being indiscriminate in the choice of sexual partners. The term can carry and will carry a moral judgment. Judgment! Judgment in all the earth. All right, let's keep going.
You're going to refer to me as. And you cannot ask for respect while disrespecting women. And that's what we get for trying to be allies. Look, now they just trying to wipe us out. Now look at us looking stupid.
Very good.
Why do you think men are not getting married?
Women are not desirable right now. Everyone's Kim Kardashian clone. I asked you earlier, what don't men want? And you said promiscuity. Well, that seems about the only thing that's being offered right now. When I open my Instagram and I've got butt cheeks and I'm going, this woman's been married 4 times. I'm like, well, I can understand it because even if men think they want it in the short term, when you see a girl, she's half naked, she looks good. Yeah, sure, you probably do want to have sex with her. I bet you're wired that way. But then what happens after you have sex with her and you realize that so did 20 other dudes in the same week, you don't want her. Yeah.
Absolutely, not only nailed it. It's a race to the bottom between the...
It's a race to the bottom between men and women.
Clark Williams.
About the situation.
All right.
And I'm just calling to apologize.
Let me translate.
I'm calling to apologize.
She's calling her man to apologize, and let's see how it goes.
We're calling to apologize. All right.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
All right.
Hello.
So why you answer the phone like that?
Off the top. So he's like, hello. Okay, that's clear English. So why you answer your phone like that? Why did you answer the phone like that?
And I breathe so hard in the
And you're breathing so hard in the phone.
phone.
How me answer iPhone a problem now?
You know,
How me answer your phone? Now that I answer the phone, it's a problem now.
so sometimes I not like deal with you.
You know that sometimes I don't like to deal with you,
I'm not to call your phone.
and I don't have to call your phone.
I'm not to call your phone.
I don't have to call your phone. And that's the classical Jamaican woman kiss teeth.
I don't want peace. I want problems.
So let's run that back without the translation, right? So she's pretty much just pissed off because he answered the phone. And if he didn't answer the phone, that would have been a whole different thing on its own, right? So let's go again. She says she just wants to peacefully call him and she's not going to argue. All right, Andrew Tate, what do you say?
About the situation. And I'm just calling to apologize. All right, girl. We're calling to apologize.
All right.
We're calling to apologize.
Call.
All right.
Nobody in their right mind would believe that.
Hello.
So why you answer the phone like that?
Holy free holy.
And I breathe so hard in the phone.
How me answer iPhone a problem now?
You know, so sometimes I not like deal with you. I'm not to call your phone. I'm not to call your phone.
I don't want peace. I I want problems.
Holy frijoles!
Go fuck yourself.
Remember to like and subscribe. This one is great. This is a Jamaican Caucasian. And, yo, I love how he handles it. If you've seen it already, you've seen it already, but this is great.
Angry.
Why don't Jamaican men eat pum pum?
Off the top, the controversial question in the comment section after you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Answer the question, why is it around the world that there's a stigma on Jamaican men that Jamaican men do not ultimately please their women dong dessa? How come Jamaican man don't yam pum pum, bro? All right, let's get the answer.
I don't know. Maybe you have to ask if I don't know, honestly.
Do you think that maybe... Oh,
You get a ringtone, cartel.
sorry, getting a call here. 1 sec.
Okay.
Hey, dirty girl. Me not done tell you don't call off my blood clot phone when me there. Yeah, I'll go suck your mother pussy clot. And mind me don't give you 2 boxing and your bumbo clot face when me come home.
Yo, I do not condone. I don't condone his actions, okay? But funny as hell, bro. Surprising everybody. Watch.
Sure. Sorry about that.
Just went right back to Canadian or English. Sorry about that. Let's go.
My wife.
No.
No, I always tell her, if I go and act like a roadside gal, then me I could treat you like a roadside gal, you know?
Yo, somebody give this guy a medal. That's the greatest.
Seriously, I will teach him them
Sorry about
languages.
Anywho, you were saying?
I don't know. I don't remember.
I'll check you later, okay?
Yo, as a couple, you gotta stay fun. You have some couple that were boring. Some couples are boring, yo. Stay fun as a couple. Check this one out, yo.
Come on, babe. Let's do our handshake. Come on, you don't love me no more?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I like it. And remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in right here. It's the Mr. Show. I, Red Pill Rickster.